Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create business presentation slides using RGB in Photoshop. Presentation slides require discipline. RGB helps maintain clean visuals on projectors and screens. Text stands out clearly. Graphical elements stay balanced. Business information becomes easier to absorb. RGB calibration avoids dull colors. Visual flow remains consistent. The presentation now feels professional and credible. This clarity supports confident business communication. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity speak louder every day.